Yo, what's going on, everybody? TJ here, and I decided to make this video today because I got my brand new Dell XPS 15 laptop in, and I was able to get an insanely good deal on it, and I wanted to tell you guys exactly what I did so you're able to do it as well. So I actually was able to get 34.3% off of this purchase, which in dollar signs, that's $803.99. That's a really good deal. So I'm going to be showing you exactly what I did step by step so that you're able to do that as well for either an XPS laptop or really any laptop by Dell. And make sure you stay till the end because I'm also going to be showing you how you can also possibly make another 12.6% off on this purchase. So let's get to it. All right, first off, we're going to be buying our laptop from Dell.com. It's really important that we do it right from Dell's website. You see the price was $2349.99 for this laptop, the XPS 15. Here's some stats of it. I was going with the i7, Intel i7, Windows 10, Video GeForce 1650 4GB hard drive, video card, 32 gigabytes of RAM, 1 terabyte hard drive, the 15.6 inch 4K non-touch screen. The rest of this is just blah, blah, blah. And as you can see here, buying it right from Dell's website, we instantly get $457.99 off. And this $50 off $699 is a coupon code that I'm going to tell you. This coupon is 50 off $699. So if you buy anything from Dell website that's over $699, they'll instantly give you an extra $50 off. Make sure you put that coupon code in. But here is the real magic for the strategy. This is the Rakuten widget. Rakuten is pretty much a site that you go through many different other sites to get cash back on your purchases. At this particular time, Dell was doing 10% cash back on all purchases off of the website. So all we do is activate it for this shopping session. As you can see here, it says 10% cash back is activated. So when we buy this laptop, we're going to get 10% back from Rakuten. Here's Rakuten's website, Rakuten.com. And it's an awesome way to earn cash back on all of your purchases. You can do it in store or online. Over here, you can see I've already earned $97.97 total, and I've gotten checks for those in the mail already. That's my lifetime cash back. And we are going to do this to get 10% back on this Dell purchase. You can also earn $30 for referring people, but we'll get to that a little bit more later. Here's just a quick little peek of inside Rakuten. There's so many different stores that you can shop from, but really it's important to have the widget. That way you can just go to whatever site you want to shop from and it'll actually let you know like, hey, Rakuten's got a cashback deal on the site. Would you like to activate it? And that's how I made $97.97 so far, and we're about to make a lot more on this laptop purchase. And this is the thing I was telling you about with the refer a friend. So if anybody uses the link that another person who's in Rakuten provides, then they both will get $30 when the person who joins spends $30. And this could be shopping from anything. It could be Amazon, it could be Walmart, it could be Sephora, it could be anything that you want to buy. As long as you spend $30, Rakuten will send you $30 back. And they'll send the $30 to the person who referred you to. I've got a link in the description below, so make sure you click that link to sign up to Rakuten so you can benefit from this full discount strategy. All right, so I'm going to be paying with Dell financing, and the reason why is because there's 0% interest on all XPS systems if you pay it within 18 months. So you can see here, I was approved, was able to cover the cost of the laptop. But why I decided to go with this finance plan is because if you do the finance plan, you'll actually get 6% back from Dell that you can use towards other purchases. As you can see here, it says 3% back on rewards or 6% back if you finance. So my strategy here is to finance, get that 6% back, and just pay it off before 18 months so I don't get any interest on the purchase. All right, we're going to check out now. Make sure that Rakuten is active for this shopping trip. And voila, there it is. Ordered this laptop and we got our 10% cash back. Be processed by tomorrow. All right, we'll head back over to Rakuten's website and we can see that my lifetime cash back now is $282.97, $185 cash back. And that's from this last Dell purchase. So we had it down from $18.42 to now $16.57. So by using Dell Financial Service, I was able to get 6% back from Dell themselves just by using their finance plan. So I got $111 back for that. Was able to get a nice new laptop case for the laptop. I bought my girlfriend a laptop case for her laptop. And I also picked us up Super Smash Bros. For the Switch. All with this purchase just from the money back from Dell. All right, so that is exactly how I was able to get $803.99 back on this purchase, but I did promise you guys that there was going to be a bonus, so you can possibly make another 12.6% back. So let's get to that. So I just listed my 2012 MacBook Pro and included a free case on eBay, starting off with 99 cents plus free shipping, and got my first bid for 99 cents within about a minute and a half. We have a full week to go, so let's see how this plays out. So we're about 2 hours into this listing. Somebody with zero feedback offered me 700 euros, but I want to do it through eBay because I don't know if he's real or if he's a scammer or what. But my actual listing has gotten 84 views, 9 watchers, 8 bids in the past 2 hours, and we're up to $202.50. Trying to get some work done on this new laptop, but I wanted to show you guys that it's day 3. Yesterday, the top bid ended at $262, and we just hit $267. We are currently in a place called Lufkin, Texas, road tripping back across America, and there's 6 hours and 52 minutes left on the MacBook auction. We've got 34 watchers, 27 bids so far. Started it at 99 cents. We're at $335, and we'll see what it ends up closing at today. All right, we are coming up to the last minute of the auction. Tori and I are actually driving through Louisiana right now. We are at 40 different people have bid so far. It's at $415, and there's 35 watchers. Let's see what happens over this next 40 seconds. Just got a new bid at $425. 33 seconds to go. This is the best part of eBay, is the last minute. Another one for $425? Nah, it says $430. 10 seconds, we're at $435. What's it gonna be? 3, 2, 1, $445. What's it gonna be? Closing bid. Okay, $445. All right. So we got an extra $445 off of this new laptop purchase by selling my old one. So sick. I love selling on eBay. All right, and to give you guys some proof that this does really work, here is my check from Rakuten for $185.57. I already cashed this in, got it deposited into my bank account, so it's 100% does work. I've gotten like 3 of these checks from them already, and yeah, it's an awesome thing. I just use them for pretty much all my online shopping, and you can even use them in store too. Like if you go to like Walmart or something, you can bring up the app and have the cashier scan it, and you'll get your cash back from that as well. I hope that this video was helpful. If it was, make sure you give me a thumbs up and make sure you share it with a friend so that they know how they can get huge discounts on all of their purchases, whether that be a laptop, video games, anything at all really. And yeah, if you want to see more financial tips, other ways to save money, other financial advice, other parts of my entrepreneur journey, because I like to document my business ventures as well, then make sure you subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell so you're notified on the next video, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Later.